In this video, we are going to see the installation of Anaconda. We will also see how to run Python in Jupyter Notebook. Now let's see the installation steps. First of all, go to your browser and search Anaconda. Click on the link anaconda.com. You will see the download button. Click on the download button. If you go down, you can see different installers for Windows, macOS and Linux. You can see two versions of Python. I am downloading Python 3.7 version 64-bit. I have the installer downloaded here. Click on the installer. Like any other Windows installer, you just have to click next. Here, destination folder you can change if you want. I am keeping default. Now click install and complete the installation. After installation, go to Start menu and search for Anaconda. You can see the Anaconda Navigator installed. Open Anaconda Navigator. In here you have Jupyter Notebook, and here there is another IDE for Python development, that is Spyder. You can launch Jupyter Notebook either from here, or we will show you another method as well. Start the Anaconda prompt from the Start menu. Change the prompt to the location where you want the Python files. So here I am in C users admin. I am changing to dpython where I want my Python files to be. So now it is in dpython. Now type Jupyter-Notebook. Now this will open Jupyter Notebook in the browser, and all the files will be in the location dpython. All those files we can see over here. To start writing Python code, click New Python 3. This will open a new IPython notebook file. Here you can start typing your code. Before that, let me save the file. Here you can see the file is saved with the file name we provided. Now let's see a simple example to print hello world. Give print in parentheses, give hello world in quotes. This quotes denotes that this is a string. Now to execute, press Shift Enter, or you can press Run button here. You can see hello world printed. Best thing about Jupyter Notebook is you can see the results in line. By this, I am concluding this video. Thank you for watching.